Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to solve Bluetooth problem in our Xiaomi phone. Guys, you want to solve your Bluetooth problem, so guys you can solve it. And guys, now let's see how to solve Bluetooth problem in our Xiaomi phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you how can you solve your Bluetooth problem guys. So guys, now let's see how to solve it. So then first of all, open your phone setting to solve your Bluetooth problem. Then guys, scroll and guys you can see your connection and sharing option. So guys, tap here. Then guys, scroll it and guys you can see this reset setting. So I tap, then guys you can see your Bluetooth reset setting. Tap here and okay, the setting has been reset in our Xiaomi phone. Then guys you can use your Bluetooth without any problem. After that guys, you have any problem, so guys don't worry guys, take a screenshot of your phone model number and guys send me on comment section. I will check, I will help you. Okay friends, bye bye, thanks for watching. And guys, sorry for this outside sound, ignore it. Bye bye friends.